Solid Edge allows designers to solve the different design challenges that are unique to their industry by delivering tools and workflows that offer specific solutions to these challenges. For example, cooling vents and mounting bosses are commonly found in consumer products, but are traditionally very difficult to model. But with Solid Edge's powerful super features, they can be created with a single command. In this case, I'm going to be creating a very complex vent feature that would typically be very time-consuming and difficult to model. You see that the dialog gives us very good feedback as to what each of these parameters is going to control. You see that the ribbon bar at the top of the screen walks us through a set of steps that allows us to quickly create this vent feature just by defining which part of the sketch is defining which part of the feature. Once that's been defined, you simply select a direction, and that super feature is automatically created. This again would be very time consuming and difficult to model without this super feature. As you can see in the Assembly Pathfinder that this is a single feature. This would have taken a host of features to create before Solid Edge version 15. The next super feature that I want to show you is one for creating mounting bosses. Again, a very common feature in consumer products. And is something that, again, is very time-consuming and can be difficult to model. Solid Edge version 15 provides a dialog of mounting boss options. You'll see that each of these options are mapped to the sketch that's in the options dialog box, giving the user instant feedback as to what each of these parameters is controlling. What I need to do then is use the Smart Step ribbon bar to guide me through the steps that it's going to take to actually place the super feature in the part. I can use existing geometry in the assembly to define where to place the mounting bosses. In this case, I'm going to create 3 mounting bosses in one simple feature. This would have taken, again, several features to create these mounting bosses prior to version 15. This gives us a distinct advantage in the marketplace when designing consumer products, especially for the electronics industry. Solid Edge's focus on the process-specific features and workflows not only speeds up the design process, but also makes Solid Edge easier to learn and adopt because of its direct industry relevance.